I ain't did a video in a while, and an update on this car. Yep, she's going V8. I did this about a couple weeks ago. I was gonna rebuild the engine. Then I found a good deal on this engine. This was going in her. This was going in her. It's a new heartbeat. Yep, the new heartbeat going into Goldie. It's gonna need a little work. Like I said, it runs. I'm gonna clean it up and everything, and then might have to change my fan because my fan for a slat 6 it's made different. And, clean the oil. I'm just gonna see how she runs. Well, probably later on. I got a friend and he got a 5.2 Magnum motor for a Jeep out of the Jeep. If I decide I want to switch the motor out, either that, I just got a V8. That's all I did. I got the transmission. I got all the setup for it, the linkage and everything. See right here, got the linkage and all that. And this is the ring going in this and that. It's a big bow pattern. Big bow pattern. It's 7 1/4. It ain't gonna be no runner, nothing like that. I don't know. This I might use this coil. I use this coil. I don't know if it might work, but coil. A brand new water pump on that engine. The engine got 59,000 miles on it. Probably was the oil pump gave out, but the motor they ain't knocked or nothing. It was running good. Running good motor. I got it in my previous videos. Other than that, I got the K member for it, the V8K member, and so what I'm gonna have to do, I'm gonna pull this transmission out. This is a 6-cylinder transmission, 904. Not gonna work with that setup I got. So I don't know. I might use the linkage off this car. I don't know. Either I'm gonna use the linkage off what car came out for. That engine came out of 85 Dodge Diplomat, and I wanna give me a little pressure washer, clean all this mess up in here. I wanna clean this all this right here, firewall, all that, clean it up in here, paint it, whatever. But I got the K member for that though. See, only thing slowing me down now, so I got the K member powder coated. So I wanted to have it powder coated. So I'll get that back by Tuesday and everything. And I'm gonna have to, like I said, I'm gonna jack it up in the rear and take the drive shaft and just drop the transmission and everything. But another problem I need to try to get done is my driveway, because I want a blacktop. I want a, not blacktop, but concrete slab, so I can roll this cherry pick on and everything. But other than that, you know, I was just putting a video out there for some interested people, you know, the mopars and everything. I was just thinking about this old car. I just think about my red Duster. If I know then, but now, you know, it's time goes on. I know one thing, the brakes hit good on here since I did the disc brake swap on it. And yeah, but other than that, you know, I don't know. You see what it is, but like, share it, you know. Other than that, you know,